Hi guys, welcome to my channel Budget Products for You. So today we are going to unbox and review the new ADIDAS Superstar. So let's get going. So let's cut the tape and remove the box. So we have the box inside. And now we are going to cut the tape. We get one more box inside the box, and we got a letter from shop adidas.co.in. So let's keep that to the side and go and unbox the shoe. So this is the shoe, guys. This has ortholite inner sole, so this is really comfortable to wear, and this is just the trendy Adidas design. So you can see many celebrities walking with these things in the airports and malls, etc. So this is a really good shoe for 6,000 rupees in India, and which is around $100 in the US. So you can get it both online from adidas.com or adidas.co.in if you are in India, or you can go to the stores and get it. So actually we went to the stores, but we didn't get the size required, so they only ordered it for us. You can see the Adidas branding over here, and this thing is made out of pure leather, and so also you can see that the insoles are ortholite, so it is really good for your legs. So you get like nice pair of shoes, trendy sneakers for around 6,000 rupees. So if you like the content, please like, share and subscribe to our channel, and do comment in the comment section, and keep supporting this channel, guys. Thank you.